What's going on, and welcome to Oil and Gears. Today we're going to do a simple mod, but it makes a big difference, as always, on your SCION XB. So we're going to do these chrome locks that I got from Johnny out in California. Shouldn't take too long. We got to take the door panels off, twist these in, and we're done. So we're going to do this really quick. We'll see how it looks, and you'll tell me what you think. Let's get to it. Alright, so to take the door panel off, we have a Phillips screw right here. Always put it somewhere safe. And we have a Phillips screw right here. And you want to take these little plastic pieces off. So what you're going to do is you're going to pull. See, this one pops off really easy. That's just one of those pieces, and it just pops off like so. You push up and you can take this off. You don't have to remove any of the wiring. We're just going to change these little chrome pieces here, and as you can see, all you do is twist them around like so. Just like that. You grab your door panel and you put it top first. You'll feel it slide in. There we go. Add that little plastic screw here. Just like that. Put this plastic piece back in. And then you'll put your screws back in the correct places. Here you go, see? Nice chrome blocks on the inside. I like that. Compared to these. What do you think? Okay, so the back door is basically the same. You have one Phillips screw here, one Phillips screw here. You don't have the plastic piece here or the plastic insert here, so we're just going to do these two. Well, there you go. We've added the chrome door locks on the SCION XB, and I like the small little pop that it gives the interior of my car. Also, I want to thank everybody who's liked, comment, shared, subscribed to my channel. I've hit over 1,000 subscribers, so thank you very much. That just helps me do a lot more mods for the first and second gen, which we started. And that one, as you can see there, those are the old bumpers. The new ones are getting painted right now, but I want to thank everybody for their love and support and commenting. And you know, I usually try to comment back as soon as possible, but I do enjoy talking to everybody, so comment down below. If you have any questions, let me know. Say Ferris, like, comment, share, subscribe. We'll see you on the flip side. Peace.